Okay, so here are the internal features of Kia Sonet 2020. Let me just walk you through first everything. So this is your home button where you see the navigation. At the center you see all the music controls like FM, and at the right side you see the watch. You turn it on the right, the navigation is very smooth. So you see the maps, navigation, phone, the UO Connect app. You can also see the Smart Pure Air. So let's go to all of them one by one. So in the map section, you can see all your previous destination, whatever you have searched for, your favorite destination if you have tagged anything by your mobile app. Okay, let's cancel it. Go back. Okay, the second is then on the navigation you have different options over here where you can see all the history. You can search in the address book whatever you have searched for. You can search for nearest Kia service station, nearest Kia dealership. You can also enter the route by the coordinates, the all the addresses. You can see all the history wherever you have traveled or you have searched for, all the destination, the start points, the searches, whatever you have made. Okay, you can also do the searching by name. You can just type anything over here and you can do it. On the right hand side you see all the favorite destination which you have already marked in your mobile application or in this application in the car, right? Going back, now you have the phone connectivity where you can see that okay which device is connected currently. Okay, let's go back. In the UO Connect app, this is something where they talk about the 57 new features you can send to car. You can This is something where you can send the navigation from your mobile to the car, share the destination with someone. You can go to the vehicle diagnostic. It will take some time. So right now there is no issue with the car. There is all the functions are working perfectly fine. And then here comes the UO setting, right? So in the UO setting you can see what is the UO is activated, and if you did not activate this account or you recently purchased this vehicle, account number you can contact on this number, right? You can go into this more information and you can get all these details. Okay, let's go back. On this Smart Pure Air, this is something which shows you how your purifier is working right now. The air quality is index is right now is 36. You can check the perfume right? You can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed of this particular air purifier which is working right now it is in the auto mode. Okay, you can increase the speed or you can decrease the speed, so it depends on like how much polluted the air inside your car is. Okay, let's go back. You have something called as sound mood lamp, so you can go inside this setting and then you can identify which particular sound mode you wanted in your car, right? And then on the doors, on the front doors of your car, whenever the music will play, these color options will come up, right? You also have the color theme where I think you can have this party time, hey yo. So I think this will give you a different color to the music, right? Whenever the sounds, you will play some music. Okay, let's go back home. Then on the setup you can see on the sound system, this is something sound system where you can position your speakers for which one you wanted to play. Right now it is on the center. You can have it right, left, at the back also you can do that thing. Then coming on to the sound tuning, this is something where you can adjust your treble, mid and the bass. The driving guidance is something where you can have these things already set up. The first one is parking safety priority. It will lower all the audios when a parking assist view is active, right? So when you're parking your car, it will lower the volume. Navigation prioritize, so it will talk about the navigation whenever you will navigate through your car. Navigate during phone calls, so if you enable this, even if you're talking on a phone, the navigation will speak back to you, right? And then mute navigation guidance, that means it will never tell you anything about that. It will, you can just see in the screen and navigate it. Now coming to the system volumes, you can go and check this is subsystems where if your phone rings, what is should be the ringtone, how much is the voice recognition guidance, do you want it max, main, on the messages and on the beep, right? Beep is something whenever you press any button, if you enable this person, you see, so that's how the beep works. It just assures you that yeah, you press something. Default is something when you click on this, every setting will be factory reset. Okay, go back. Device connection is something where you can have Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Right now I connected my phone through Bluetooth, so this is my device name. I can connect it back. Android Auto is something you need to connect it through the cable, and the Apple CarPlay works the same for the iPhone users. Okay, now coming to the vehicle diagnostics. Here you can see about your vehicles. This is parking safety, where you can have a parking distance warning auto on. So if you enable it, so whenever you park your vehicle, it will tell you about all the sensors will get activated, and you will get to know how much speed you needed. Coming on to the climate, internal air circulation, it will tell you right now it is activation on washer fluidos. That means it will be inside the air will rotate inside the car. Automatic ventilation, so this will something which will whenever it can get the fresh air from the outside. Lights is headlight timeout. So after this is something this is on the indicators, like whenever you do a small push to the indicators, how many flashes you want, right? So you can have 3 flashes, 5 flashes, 7 flashes, right? Or you can make it off. Right now it is turned on, so I'm kept it at 7 flashes. On the door, auto lock and auto unlock. This is something when vehicle is off, auto unlock, then vehicle is off, then it will be auto unlock, and then auto lock is enabled on speed. So whenever you reach to a particular limit, it will auto lock the car. Cluster is something, it will give you more information about the car. So this is something as service interval. So here you can either set it manually, okay, that after x kilometers you have to go for a service station, right? And energy consumption reset. So after refueling or condition for automatically resetting the fuel economy and average, it will automatically reset whenever you refuel your car. And then the contextualization is wiper lights display and ice road warning. So this is something which will come onto the panel. Okay, let's go back. That's all about the vehicle. I've already told about the navigation. And display setting is something about this particular display, which this is a 10.25 inch display, so it is auto illumination. It will reduce the brightness according to the outside lighting, and then brightness is something which you can like reduce or increase automatically by yourself. And blue light is something it reduces the strain on your eyes. So at night if you are driving and then you don't want this light to be there, so you increase it. So you see that there is a dimming light over here. You can increase or decrease. It just behave like a what it is there in your phones, right? So either I can do it off, come back, and then these buttons are something like about the sitting at the bottom, like how you want this star button to behave. Like whenever you press a star button, it should go to the phone application, it should go to the phone, it should do the phone projection. Either you need to navigate to the sound mode lamp. So this is something which behaves like a shortcut. You go back, you go again. This is something which I just showed you. In this is the general, where you see about the version of the software, what software it is, what is the version of map, what is the device ID. It will give you the system information. Bluetooth remote lock, daytime setting, you can do it. It also has a keyboard, how you want the keyboard to be, either in the ABCDEF format or the format which is there in your laptops or the desktops, okay, which is the QWERTY mode. And then the units is something whether you want your temperature to be into centigrade or Fahrenheit. The fuel efficiency you want to see in kilometer per liter or liter per 100 kilometer. The trial pressure, which particular unit you want, either PSI, kPa or BAR, right? So these are all the things which you see under the information. So that is all about it. There is a shortcut for the setup mode. You can click on this, and this is already there on the setup mode. So once you click, it will go to the setup mode. Go back. The media, it will go display. Right now there is no source for media, so it is not showing radio. Then if you click on this navigation, it will show this navigation buttons. Click on radio, it will show right now it is FM, so we'll see all the stations over here. Click on the map, the entire screen will be occupied by the map, and this volume up and down, and then there is a power button. So when you click on this, it turns it off, right? So that's all about it. Let's hear some music on the radio as of now.
Sugar, इसमें है 5S guarantee. शुद्ध सल्फर फ्री प्रोसेस समान मिठास
So this is, let's go to the max volume and see how the volume gives, right?
भारत का अपना ब्रांड RGL, redefining great lifestyle. Radha Marketing, Sadar Bazaar.
I'll mute that. So the sound quality of this Kia Sonet is really good, really awesome. I really liked it. Here are some of the more features, like you see the AC vent, you can turn on and off the AC. This is how the ventilation will work, right? Right now it is on the top grill. Then the front fogger, the auto AC. This is something where how the air circulation should work. This is the rear defogger, you can turn it on and off. These red and blue are the to increase or decrease the temperature. On the left hand side, these two fan buttons are to increase and decrease the fan, right? And this is on the left hand side, you see the ventilated seat. This will activate the left side of it, and this will activate the right side of it, right? You can decrease the speed of the AC on your seats as well, so that is something you can turn it on. This particular button, when you press on it, it will show the rear view in the car, right? So that's